Alright guys, we're here at Mallala Motorsport Park. Today is our passenger ride day, so we've got Lisa's car here because mine's still smashed up. And we've got Winnie as well. We did a giveaway. We've got some young, awesome people to give some hot laps to who've never been in a race car before. I've got young Max here from SB Garage who's come out today. How are you, mate? Ready to roll?
Oh, I've never been this excited for a race car before because I've never been in one. But it should be an awesome day and I just can't wait for what's to come.
And we've got the manager here, Lily.
Hello.
What is your role today?
I'll be directing Cameron and making sure he gives everyone a great time.
Yeah.
You're going to be busy, aren't you, eh?
Going to be very busy. We've got a lot of people we've got to get through today and give them a really good experience as well. We can't go too easy on them.
Hopefully all goes well. Hopefully the cars are reliable. We had done all the prep work, so a lot of passengers to get through, but we'll get them on track, and we've also got some people driving as well, so keen for that. Stay tuned and let's get into it.
Shit, I'm not ready for this. Come on, son. Second at the blue kind of.
Then go straight to second.
Okay.
Well, get you out the car. We'll get some.
Brilliant from you, though.
Yeah. We didn't die.
Well, I trust you. That's not the problem. The problem is when I'm behind the wheel.
fun, isn't it?
It is fun.